Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our warm little podcast. Today, Tom and I will talk about something beautiful, happiness.
Hi, friends. I'm really excited for this topic. Happiness is something we all search for.
Yes, we all want it, but everyone feels it in different ways. That's what makes happiness special.
Exactly. It's not the same for everyone. So, Mary, what does happiness mean to you?
For me, happiness means peace inside, a calm heart, a soft mind with no heavy thoughts.
That sounds lovely. Inner peace is one of the purest forms of happiness. Do you feel it often?
Sometimes, especially in quiet moments, moments when I let myself breathe.
I like that. Happiness as breathing. Simple and natural.
Yes. How about you, Tom? What does happiness mean for you?
For me, happiness means connection. Being close to people I care about. Feeling understood.
Aw, that's sweet. Feeling understood really touches the heart. It makes us feel safe.
Exactly. When someone listens to me kindly, my heart feels warm.
I know that feeling. Sometimes just one gentle conversation can change the whole day.
Yes, Mary. And you're one of those people for me. Our talks make me feel lighter.
That's very sweet, Tom. Talking with you also makes me happy. You always bring calm energy.
Thank you, Mary. So, do you think happiness is small things or big things?
For me, mostly small things. Warm tea, soft music, a quiet morning, little moments that feel gentle.
I agree. Small things carry big beauty. They're easy to miss, but powerful.
Yes, many people think happiness is something big, but it's usually simple.
True. A simple smile, a soft hug, a peaceful night.
Exactly. Do you think happiness comes from inside or from outside?
Good question. I think it starts inside, but outside things can help.
I feel the same. If our heart is empty, no outside thing can fill it fully.
Yes. Happiness is like a flame. It starts small inside and grows when we protect it.
That's beautiful, Tom. Do you think people can choose happiness?
Sometimes they can, not always, but often happiness is a choice we practice.
Yes, practice. Just like gratitude or kindness.
Right. The more we practice, the more it becomes natural.
Do you think happiness is permanent?
No, I don't think so. I think it comes and goes like waves.
Yes, like waves. Soft waves that touch the shore and pull back again.
Exactly. We don't need to feel happy all the time. We only need to let happiness come when it can.
That's gentle wisdom, Tom. Do you remember a moment you felt truly happy?
Yes. One moment was a sunset I saw alone. The sky was gold and pink.
That sounds magical. Nature gives beautiful happiness, sometimes without words.
Yes. And another moment was a conversation I had with you.
Really? That makes me smile. What made it special?
You listened deeply. You didn't judge me. You made me feel safe.
Aw, Tom, that means a lot. Listening with kindness is love.
Exactly. What about you, Mary? A moment of true happiness.
Maybe sitting under the rain once. Not heavy rain, just soft rain. I felt peaceful, like the world slowed down.
That sounds beautiful. Nature loves you, I think. You describe it so softly.
Thank you, Tom. I also feel happy when I help someone, even in a small way.
Helping others gives pure joy. It's like giving light and receiving light back.
Yes, light. Do you think love and happiness are connected?
Very connected. Where there is love, Happiness grows easily.
I agree. Love grows happiness like flowers. Soft, colorful, gentle flowers.
Beautifully said. Do you think happiness needs money?
Some money, yes, for comfort and basic needs, but not too much.
True. Money helps life, but it doesn't touch the heart.
Exactly. Happiness touches the heart, not the wallet.
So true, Mary. Do you think happiness is the same as excitement?
No, they're different. Excitement is loud. Happiness is quiet.
Yes, excitement is like fireworks. Happiness is like candlelight.
Beautiful comparison. Which one do you prefer?
Candlelight. Calm, warm, steady. Just like you, Mary.
Oh, Tom, you're too sweet, but thank you.
It's true. So what makes you happy right now?
This moment, talking with you, sharing gentle thoughts.
Me too. This conversation feels soft and warm. It feels like happiness itself.
Yes, sometimes happiness is not a place. It's a moment.
Or a person. Or a feeling inside. Or a peaceful thought.
Exactly. Before we finish, Tom, what advice would you give listeners?
Look for small joys. Protect your peace. And be gentle with yourself.
Beautiful advice. And I will add this. Don't chase happiness. Grow it slowly.
Lovely words, Mary. Thank you for this soft talk. It warmed my heart.
And thank you, Tom. Happiness grows easily in a conversation like this.
Thank you for listening, everyone. May your day be gentle. May your heart be light.
Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, stay happy.
Thank you all for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you so much. You are all great. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Podcast English Talk. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, friends.